This is the K'NEX Ferris coaster wheel released in 2007. The kit contains 584 pieces and is for children 8 years and up. Most pieces are the classic K'NEX parts, with a few micro K'NEX parts. The instruction manual for this roller coaster comes in the box. The instructions in PDF format are available for download at the K'NEX website, and I have included the link in the text box below. There are 4 sections of roller coaster tracks on this Ferris wheel. Each section has its own car, and each car goes around in its little small section as the Ferris wheel turns. Here is a close-up of one of the 4 sections of roller coaster track. Each one has its own car in it, and this one is blue.